Some people are making a lot of money on the worldwide auction heavy plant machinery platforms. I, because I'm closely aligned with Richie Bros, keep a close eye, as you know, on their auctions. And they've recently just finished one, the one in Maltby, UK. So, even just looking at some of the pieces that have sold, you can tell there are people out there making a lot of money. But I'm not going to tell you about the lots of money items just yet. Let's start with something small, something which is easy for anyone to replicate. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. We've got, on the one hand, a 2023 Jesse B 9-ton 4x4 dumper sold at Richie Bros in Maltby, UK for 19k. Let's let that sink in. Okay? 19k, 2023 machine, about 500 hours on it. Now look at this. Let's jump over to Auto Trader. What do we see? We see a smaller machine. We see a 6-ton dumper. Also 2023. Very important. Similar hours. Similar hours. 24,250 plus VAT. 24,250 plus VAT, which would bring it up UK VAT to in and around the £28,000 mark. 19,000 versus 28,000. So here's the real opportunity. Let's simplify it. Bigger machine, 9-ton, similar age, similar hours, sold for 19k, versus smaller machine, 6-ton, that sells dealer retail price 24 plus VAT. What's that telling you? There's a massive spread between the auction price and the possible retail selling price. This is where people are making money. People like you, people who are interested in the plant machinery world, people who have knowledge. I see it every day in my work. I'm seeing people that are making a lot of money, but they're experts in that field. So some of you will be saying, okay, 5k profit. Brilliant. Easy. Let's go. Let's do it. There's lots of different ways we can be smart about this. Now, ideally, if you could go around the auction beforehand, you're going to get proper insight. But we look into that in other videos and how to go about it, because it's not all plain sailing even when you do that. But anyway, so in this case, by looking at the photos, we can see that the auction machine is an open cab. The retail one is a closed cab, so there's better weather protection, which in theory equals higher demand, especially in a wet country like the UK or Ireland. The dealer probably offering some sort of warranty, even if it's short. He will have access to finance options. Anyway, they'll also be in ready to work condition. That means it adds value, especially if there could be some little issues with the other one, although there doesn't seem to be. So even if we're adjusting for the extra 1 or 2k for the premium cab, the margin for the dealer, his transportation and preparation costs, there's still some money in this, especially if you're starting your journey into entry-level flipping territory. Not flipping territory. No, I mean, if you're flipping and if you're starting to get into the world of buying and selling, the Americans call it flipping territory. Why is this powerful? Because you don't need millions in capital. There's a risk appetite which is less than if you're buying a machine at 100k. And you need some insider knowledge. So you need a bit of awareness, you need a bit of speed, and probably in an ideal world, you need to already have a buyer lined up. That's what you want. The people that are making money in the heavy plant machinery auction world are not random buyers. They're not guessing. They're not hoping. They're watching the auctions carefully. They're knowing exactly what the resale demand might be. And they're probably having some buyers before they even bid. If they're not using it for themselves, ideally, what I have seen is that people who need the machine themselves for their own work will purchase it, get it going, And immediately, even before they get it going, give it a clean, get it all serviced, do all the bits and bobs they need to do, and put it online for sale. If it sells, brilliant. They make a couple of grand. They move on. They get the next one. And if they don't, at least they've got something for themselves to use for their work. So it's the balance of weakness. They don't need to sell it, especially when they're starting off, until you learn this marketplace. So let me ask you this. If I told you that the machine sold at auction for 19 and I've got a buyer for 24, what would you do? Would you ignore it? Would you watch it? Or would you go and buy it? Drop a link in the comments. Always want to know what you're doing. So, if you like this type of thing, you want to have real intel into the auctions, see what the margins are, see what the real opportunities are, hit subscribe. Because next time, I'll be looking at even bigger machines. I'll be going deep. That's where the margins go from 3 to 5,000 to maybe 10 or 20,000 per machine if you do it right. And there are people doing it right. People buying all over the world, importing, taking advantage of currency exchanges, taking advantage of market valuations, taking advantage of dry countries and wet countries. All this is super interesting, and all of that is coming down the line. This is Patrick. Thank you for tuning in. I'll chat to you again. Bye bye.